friends, my name is Haley and today we are going to paint a very easy and beginner friendly watercolor sky with fluffy clouds and palm trees. So let's get started. This is a cold pressed watercolor paper. I will use washi tape to mask a rectangle. The colors I am using are artist grade watercolors from Sennelier and Winsor and Newton. You can use any colors you have. For brushes, I am using a large size round brush for the sky and clouds and a small size brush to paint palm trees. The first thing we will do is mix a few colors needed in the painting. I am taking Sennelier's blue and a little bit of French ultramarine to show the dark and light sky gradient. For the clouds, I'll use some pink, and for the palm trees, we will use a mix of sap green with pines grey. And now we will start painting the sky first. We will start by wetting our paper. Make sure that there is not a lot of water on the paper. If there is, dry your brush and lift some of it. Once our paper is evenly wet, we will take some Sennelier's blue and paint the whole paper. When it is still wet, we will take French ultramarine and paint the top of the paper to make our sky a little darker. While painting a sky like this, we need to work quickly before the paper dries out, and because of this, it is best to use 100% cotton paper. We will quickly paint our clouds before the paper dries out completely. If your paper is dry, take some water in your brush, drain out the excess water and re-wet the paper. Take some pink in your brush and start painting the clouds. You don't need to follow me exactly. You can paint wherever you want your clouds to be. Once you are done, let the painting dry out completely before we start painting the palm trees. Take out some scrap paper and I will show you how to paint the palm trees while the painting is drying. Take the mixture we made using sap green and paints grey. Draw a little curvy line like this. Now fan out some lines to paint the leaves. To add the details, we will add little leaves to make it look like a palm tree. Once you get the hang of it, start painting it on your final painting. If you're not sure where to paint palm trees, mark some lines using a pencil. Once you're done, let the painting dry completely before removing the washi tape from the paper. Don't forget to date and sign the paper. And that is done. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.